All right. Good morning, everybody. So it is Saturday morning, and last night when we got home from Orlando, I went ahead and I put together Phoenix's birthday present. And by me, I actually mean David did it, because I was so exhausted and tired that like mentally I just couldn't handle it. So here it is. It's already been destroyed this morning because, you know, he's playing with it. So here it is. What is that? This is the one that we got him. It's just from Target. And we went ahead and like, this whole basket is full of most of the food that I got him. But like, we went ahead and did the honors of like stocking it up with things. Pizza. Yeah, so the oven. Oh, oven's spinning. There's a strawberry in the oven. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. What are you making, Mama? Make Mama second breakfast? Good job. Yeah. Good morning, baby. Hi. Puppy. Puppy? Where's your puppy? Puppy. Puppy, is it your puppy? Good morning. Hi. Okay, good afternoon, guys. So I have not vlogged anything today. I have been busy cleaning the house, and I did film a video for my main channel, and Phoenix has been screaming at me at the top of his lungs all the live long day. So we are on our way to the park. It's 5:15 because I just can't take it anymore. So we both need to get out of the house for a little bit, some fresh air, and it is beautiful outside. It feels so nice right now. So that's what we're doing. Okay guys, so wow, we had to cut our walk very short because it is so horrendously windy today. Oh my god. Like, it's really, really nice out, but it's super windy, and like, I have a headache from the wind right now. And that poor baby back there, I'm sure, is not doing much better. His little eyes were watering. I felt so bad, but you know, we survived, and we're on our way home now. I'm starving to death, so I'm going to eat immediately because he is not going to bed probably anytime soon. I don't know, this time change is just the worst thing ever. It should be dark now. It is 6 o'clock. It should be dark, or getting dark, because it's so bright outside right now. Like, he goes to bed at like, I start trying to put him to bed at 6 usually, and like, it's so light outside that he won't go to sleep. So I don't know what we're doing about that. This is awful though. Anyway, on my way home, I need to eat. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna die, I think. So just in case that I don't film anything for the rest of the night, because there is a big possibility that I won't, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.